Good day, dear viewers. In this content, we'll be taking you through the properties of one of Nigeria's strongest politicians and one of the most active politicians of this decade, in person of Nyesom Wike. Nyesom Wike is a Nigerian politician, lawyer, who has served as governor of Rivers State from 2015 to 2023. He also served as Minister of Education under Jonathan prior to becoming governor. He implemented education and human rights reform during his tenure, and despite an unsuccessful bid to become Nigerian president in 2023, he was appointed Minister of Federal Capital Territory by the current administration of APC led by Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Nyesom Wike owns several luxurious properties, landed properties, vehicles, private jets across the nation. We will be taking you to some of these prominent assets that has been known to the public. Number one on our list is bulletproof Lexus LX570 SUV. It is raw power 5.7 liter with 383 horsepower V8 engine that delivers high level of performance and comfort to on-road and off-road travels. This vehicle is worth about 250,000 US dollars, which is about 300 million Nigerians currently. He also owned a armored Mercedes Maybach S-Class ultra luxurious sedan, equipped with 4MATIC all-wheel drive and 4.0 liter V8 bi-turbo engine, featuring a 9G tronic 9-speed automatic transmission, which produces about 496 horsepower and 516 Newton-feet of torque. This luxury sedan delivers on expected power with impressive acceleration, and the vehicle is worth about 190,000 US dollars, which is about 228 million naira. His third luxurious property to be on spotlight is his bulletproof LX 600. It is powered by 3.5 liter V6 engine that generates about 409 horsepower and about 650 Nm of torque. With this offer the bulletproof Lexus LX 600 about 1063 level up to the B7 without altering any luxurious feature in the SUV. This vehicle is worth about 375,000 US dollars and about 450 million US dollars. He also owns a Range Rover, a black colored Range Rover, which is equipped with 4-wheel drive with 4.4 liter engine, petrol, capable of producing about 340 torque, and which make it feel compatible with its balance. And this vehicle is worth about $400,000, which is about 480 million naira. He also owns a BMW X17 sedan, which is worth about 146,000 US dollars and about 175 million naira. At some events, Wike presented about 10 brand new vehicles to FCT's chiefs. He presented 41 Range Rover SUV to federal and state judges, which is worth about 60 million each. He also presented 15 million SUV to federal and state judges with about 62 million each. Wike also owns a Toyota Highlander, which is about 50,000 US dollars and about 60 million naira. Aside from this, Wike owns several properties across Nigeria, with house in Port Harcourt and his home country in Rivers State. He also owns a house in Lagos and Abuja. As a politician, he has several properties that are linked to him, though, which is assumed to be a government property, one of which is the NDDC old building on Aba Road that he took over while he was governor, the mall on GRA Junction, which is currently under demolition, the West African Glass Industry, the Rivers State University hostel campus, which is worth about 422 million US dollars, the Rivers State high rise, which is which is notably called PHC Towers. He owns Nigerian Engineering Works Company, which is also known as NEO. He owns he also owns a civil servant lodge building, which is at OGRA, a ShopRite complex, a Hypercity land by NLNG roundabout in Eastern Bypass in Rivers State. Some of other government property have been linked to him are from Tombia Junction to Opobo Crescent, spanning about over 20 buildings, which is yet to deny or accept. So with this, we've taken you through some of the luxurious properties that are linked to Nigerian strong politician Nyesom Wike. We would like you to have and enjoy the rest of the content. I would like to see you again. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family.